third graders. Okay, I just wanted to review a couple of things with you quickly before you start your assignments this week in Wonders. First of all, the story that we'll be reading this week is realistic fiction again, just like last week. So realistic fiction is the genre. And I just want to remind you that if you're looking at something that's realistic fiction, it's a story that's made up, but it's going to seem like it really could have happened. And you're going to see clues in the story to let you know that. For instance, the characters will seem real. The things that they do and say will seem real. And you could even look at the setting to tell you that, okay, this is a place where something could actually happen. So the illustrations, like it's showing on this page, could give you a clue because you can see the characters could be real. They could be doing these things in this picture. And the setting where this is happening could be a real setting. And they're about to play basketball, which is also something that could really happen. So it's realistic fiction. Fiction because it is made up and didn't actually happen. The other thing we're talking about this week is point of view. And we've worked on this for several weeks now. So just remember that point of view is what a character thinks about other characters or events in the story. And you can look at details in the story to help you figure out what that character or what the narrator is thinking or feeling. So you can look at what other characters are saying or actions that they are doing that will give you clues as to how a character or a narrator is thinking about something. Then the last thing that we're going to work on this week is something new. And this is called making an inference. So when you make an inference, you are making a decision about something in the story, even though the story doesn't exactly tell you the answer word for word. So to infer something means to use the details in the story, the information that you've been given in the story, to figure out the answer to a question. So the question might be, why does Wilbur feel sad in this chapter? Now, if you went into the chapter, it may not exactly say Wilbur feels sad because. So if it doesn't tell you the answer, you have to infer or you have to make an inference, which means you're going to look at all the details in the chapter to see why Wilbur feels sad. Maybe the chapter tells you that it's very gloomy that day and the rain is falling down. Maybe it tells you that his friends aren't around and nobody wants to talk to him today. So you could use those details to answer the question why Wilbur feels sad. Okay. I hope you enjoy the story this week and do your best on your assignments and turn them in Google Classroom.